Hello guys, you're welcome to my space. They call me Son of Man. Okay, and most of you must have come across this particular image, this design that on Facebook that I made yesterday. So you'll be wondering how I was able to create this shadow effect that you see here. Okay, it wasn't like that when I have this image. So I created it on Pixellab, and it was on Pixellab that I did it. So I'm going to be showing you how I was able to do that on this video. So it's very simple to do. Okay, when you have your image at the top of the another image that you want to create effect, that shadow effect on, okay, and this is how to do it. And just select this, make sure your shape tool is selected, and then go to your draw. Okay, and then tap on your draw, and then you can set your pen size to about 14, 12 or whatever. Okay, your smoothness, don't make it too much, and then turn on your new effect. Okay, and then blur it. Okay, then you can check it and see how it looks like. Okay, you can blur it more and see. Okay, at the end of the day, let's just see we have gotten something better. Now I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to zoom it. Okay, because I want to see the area that I want to add shadows on. Okay, at the bottom of this image. Then I'm going to start adding my shadows. Okay, I think here I've got it. Okay, now I will select. Okay, now one thing I need to do again, I'm going to go to opacity and then reduce it a little. Okay, it's okay this way. And then I'm going to make a copy of this particular shadow that I created and also position it at this place. Okay, and this time I'm going to reduce the opacity the more, but this one is going to be at the front and the other one is going to be at the back. Okay, select it. Okay, then the first shadow that I created, I'm going to drag it behind the nylon or polythene bag that I placed on the grass. Okay, after that I'm going to make sure I lock them. Okay, then let's zoom out and see what we have. Okay, now see what I have at the end of the day, and then see what I have before this. Okay, you can see the difference there. Now the shadow has helped us to create a balance, or it make it look like it is standing on the glass. Okay, and then this is how to do it on Pixellab, and you can see it is very easy to do. I was able to do it under a couple of minutes now, and you can actually be able to do the same thing. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If my video helped, don't forget to follow me. Like and follow me on Facebook. Thank you guys. See you next time on my next video. Namaste.